Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and create email templates in iCloud Mail? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and search for iCloud Mail and click on the first link right over here. Now, once you've done that, iCloud Mail actually doesn't have a custom template or a saving template option. However, I'm going to teach you a way around it. So for example, let me just make or create a template real quick, right? So let me just go ahead and get a little text. All right. So for example, if this is a email format that I want to go ahead and send, what I will do is just add my own mail or my own address right here, right? And then I'll paste that right over here. And I'll just send it to myself, right? So let's just wait a couple seconds. Now, as you can see, once you have sent the mail to yourself, what you can do is simply create a folder saying template, for example, and then just moving your message to the template. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So just click on move message, bring it to template and move. And now every time what you can do is simply go ahead and open that template that you've saved and click on forward, obviously, right? So maybe this is not the right one. Let me just check. Oh, yep, it's not the right one. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the template that I want to with lorem ipsum. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So on templates, all right, for example, let's just say this is the template, right? So we click on the forward tab and all you need to do is just delete everything else. And there you go. You can just simply go ahead and add the new recipient's email and just send it right away. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.